it's Andrew from the blog Pine and Prospect Home. Look at this sunshine. Oh, after a day of rain and cold weather, it has been beautiful the past couple of days. And I have a Saturday morning to myself because my boys have soccer games. My youngest, Isaiah, has been sick the past few days, so I wanted to play it safe and just keep him home today, but I thought I would take you guys along. I'm gonna do some Saturday chores, some organization, and do some laundry. And I've had a lot of requests to show you guys my decor closet. So I'm gonna organize that today, get rid of some stuff, sell some things, donate some things, and I just thought I would take you along. So I wanted to start off by saying that today's video is sponsored by Marlowe. And Marlowe is a pillow brand designed to give you better sleep. Marlowe pillows have extra chill, cooling, infused foam, and they're easily adjustable with a zipper detail. So you can zip them up for a firmer pillow or unzip them for added plushness. So other adjustable pillows come with like extra filling that you can add inside the pillow, and they can be kind of messy and fussy, but these pillows are so much simpler because you can just zip or unzip according to your liking. So like I said, it's sheet washing day, so I've got this pile here, but I wanted to show these to you up close so you could get a look at this mesh detail here, and then of course the zipper so that you can zip it up for a more firm pillow, or you can leave it unzipped. My husband and I have had ours unzipped, and it's the perfect height for our heads. We're actually belly sleepers, both of us. We like to sleep on our stomachs, and so I feel like this has been a great pillow for us. We haven't had any neck issues. We've been using them for about a week, and I'll keep you guys posted, but we are really enjoying them so far. It's a good firmness. I've used pillows before that, you know, they the stuffing kind of separates and goes from side to side, but this has stayed nice and firm for our heads and necks, and I've really been enjoying them. So make sure you check out Marlowe. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check out their website. If you buy 2 of these pillows, you can save 25%. If you buy 4, you can save 40%. All right, so before I take my laundry downstairs, I wanted to mention one more thing. Marlowe actually offers a 365-day free return policy. So you get a year to decide if you like these pillows, and you get a free return, which I think is amazing. You also get a 2-year warranty with these pillows. So yeah, I really have been enjoying ours so far, and I hope you guys check them out. Look at this beautiful sunshine. All right, I'm gonna bring that laundry downstairs and just kind of clean up the house a little bit, tidy up. All right, guys, we're down in the scary basement. It's almost a little bit embarrassing taking you guys down here because pretty much when we had a baby, all progress came to a halt. And since that point, there goes the washer. There's my pretty buffet. This area has just become like a storage area for holding all of Andrea's unused furniture items. So I've got to get this organized because we really want to get this space finished. All right, I cannot believe I'm showing this to you guys. By the way, I want to put that buffet somewhere down here. Just not sure where yet, but through this little closet that my husband created for me is our storage, and it's gotten out of control. So please, no judgment. Okay, this is the progress I made yesterday. So my husband built all of these shelving units for me. Here's a flower explosion, and oh goodness, why am I sharing this on YouTube? So this is like my storage closet. So basically all of these bins, I promise I am organized. You can tell they're baby clothing that I have organized here, but mixed in. So on these shelves is all like extra decor stuff. Got a water heater. This is all stuff I'm getting rid of, giving to sisters, donating so far, and the pile continues to grow. I've got to organize all of my spring and summer florals that have just been thrown down here. We've just got a mess happening over here. some things I can donate, party supplies. I mean, it's an embarrassment. Here's some random Christmas stuff that I've been shopping for. That trumpet I shared with you the other day, and some great greens at Walmart, by the way. All of this soccer stuff of my husband's and some furniture. So yeah, this whole area just desperately needs to be organized. So that's what I'm working on today, if the baby will let me. Also made some progress back here. This is like all painting supplies that I have, and I have got to go through this paint and get rid of it, but there's a proper way of disposing paint, and I just haven't had the time to do that yet. So okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is kind of tackle all of this green stuff. I've got to figure out what I want to keep, what I didn't actually end up using this spring and summer, and I just have to put it all away because it's in the way right now. Aw, my phone says that Gabe scored a goal. Of course I missed it. Ah, all right, time for a Caleb checkup. Yeah. What did you find?
A massive slug.
A massive slug? Ew, gross. Caleb, you realize you took a bath this morning, right? I think you're gonna need another one, huh?
Oh, I'm gonna go watch it.
Okay, guys, I promise there's a method to my madness. I'm gonna ask my sisters if they want any of this. This is all keep. You guys think I have a problem? I think I have a problem. So I'm gonna try to find a bin to put all of this in. And I love storing my flowers. You can see I have 2 bins here. I love storing my flowers and stems in clear bins. This one's pretty much empty, so I could probably use this one for most of this. But the clear ones just tell me what I have, and I can kind of peek at them without having to dig through. So yeah, there's lots of space in this one. So I'll probably clear this one out and see how much I can fit in here. Well, clearly I have issues. I have an entire bin of flowers and stems that I did not even use this year, and I just don't have the energy to go through that right now. I think I'm just gonna tuck that aside and wait for like spring cleaning. I have a short amount of time right now during naps to get this space cleaned up, so I will tackle that in the spring and keep moving forward. So I really love these long like gift wrapping bins, I think is what they are, for keeping like longer stems. I'm gonna go through these too and get rid of some of this stuff, but you can use like eucalyptus stems all seasons of the year. So I like to save them in case I want to tuck them into my cedar garlands or pine garlands for Christmas, but a lot of this stuff I can definitely get rid of. But these long bins are just great for really long stems that you don't want to bend up too much. So I'm gonna try to add the rest of what I have into this one, maybe get some stuff out of here too. It's official, I'm a hoarder. I'm a hoarder. But here's what's hard. My husband and I are in ministry, and here's what's going through my head. What if we have another banquet and we need flowers for all the tables? I've got flowers. I think about these things. We've used my florals so many times for banquets, for events. So I need to go through those and do some damage, but I did get rid of a lot. See that pile? This is progress. And this was just like a quick glance through. So I need to go through stem by stem, and I will do that in the spring. All right, guys, took a little lunch break. The baby is taking his second nap, and we're gonna get back at it. So I'm gonna tackle this far area next and try to get these pillows and linens. Let me show you. I'm gonna try to get all of these pillows and linens like inside of plastic. I really like to store it inside of plastic. It just helps protect it, and so I buy these bags. I've gotten these at the dollar store, or sometimes like, where is it? Like when you get mattress covers or like bedding covers, they come with these little bags, and I'll just save them. Yeah, I'll just save them and use them for storing bedding. So I'm gonna do that next. Okay guys, I got rid of any pillow that couldn't fit inside plastic. These are my old IKEA Far Love chair covers. I don't know why I'm holding on to them. I have new covers, but just in case. I also put all of my baskets here. And then I wanted to point something out. I don't know if you guys do this, but we have nails hanging on all of these rafters. And this is where I hang all my wreaths, which can be thinned down also probably. So now I'm just gonna kind of tidy up this area here. Try to donate a bunch of stuff. I clearly need a new system for birthday stuff, and hopefully when we finish out the other side of the basement, I can come up with like a really nice situation, a really nice, I don't know, system, I should say, for that. But I'm gonna keep at it. Hey, buddy. Did you take a good nap? The reason why I didn't go to the soccer games is because this guy has not been feeling good the past few days. So, yeah. Oh. He's had a fever, runny nose, and I've kind of been getting over something myself, but anyways. All right, guys, Isaiah's awake, which means my time in here today is done with for now. I hope this video gave you a small glimpse into how I store my decor. I don't have a glamorous storage space, as you can tell. It's kind of scary, kind of dungeon-like. We just didn't see any need to finish off this space or, you know, put ceilings in or drywall or anything. So it's just storage, but hopefully it gave you some tips. Sweet baby. I have a lot I still want to go through. This was just like phase 1, I would say. And then, Lord willing, this spring, I'll have a big garage sale and sell a lot of this. It's just not the time of year. Anyways, I hope, like I said, I hope this video gave you some ideas. He's looking outside. I hope it gave you some ideas, and I hope that it was a help to you guys. I can't wait to show you the rest of our basement once the space is finished. But thanks for coming along today, guys, and I'm gonna sweep and mop probably and just do a little bit more cleaning when my husband gets home. But thanks again for watching. If you're new here, I'd love you to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.